Marami sa ating mga Pinoy ang nangangarap yumaman, pero they think to themselves, "Oh, you know what? Hindi ako pwedeng yumaman dahil wala akong pera para mag-start ng negosyo. Kasi hindi ako pinanganak na mayaman. Ay mahirap lang mga magulang ko, kaya tatanda na rin akong mahirap." From my experience, this is not what holds most people back. Ang pumipigil sa atin para maging successful ay ang bagay na ito. At yun ang tinatawag natin na ego. You heard it right, it's ego. Bakit iniisip mo na, "No, wala akong ego"? What are you talking about? Hirap lang talaga ako sa pera ngayon. You see, ego comes in many disguises. Noong ako ay broke, napakarami kong egos na pumipigil sa akin para yumaman. In this video, isi-share ko sa inyo ang mga ito. Number 1, the blame ego. Narinig mo na ba ito? Lame people blame people. If you have the blame ego, lagi mong sinasabi sa sarili mo na di ko naman kasalanan kung ba't ako naghihirap. Kasalanan ng gobyerno to. Sakna naman kasi ang ekonomiya. It's my coworker's fault. Kasalanan kasi ng parents ko kaya mahirap ako. Yung supervisor ko kasi ang nag-hold back sa akin para maging successful ako. See, the blame ego always say it is someone else's fault. Lagi silang may tinuturo. Meron ka bang ego na to? Do you make any excuses? I think it's time to realize na you're the reason why you're poor. Number 2, the know-it-all ego. When I was starting, akala ko alam ko ng lahat. I was very confident that I know everything to be successful. Hindi ko na kailangan magbasa ng mga libro. Alam ko na lahat ng mga yan. Aksaya lang yan ng pera. Nag-try ako ng iba-ibang negosyo at businesses. And in the end, lugi lahat. At nabaon pa ako sa utang dahil nga sa know-it-all ako. After all these failures, dun ko lang nalaman na wala pala akong alam kung paano maging mayaman. Akala ko alam ko ng lahat. Lalo na at graduate ako sa isang kilalang school. See, the know-it-all always try to do things their own way. They keep doing the same things again and again. At nag-e-expect ng ibang result. And that is actually the very definition of insanity. Kaibigan, kung gusto mong yumaman, be open-minded and always learn new things. Number 3, the fearful ego. Marami sa atin ang hindi naaabot ang ating mga pangarap because of fear. Fear of success, fear of failure, fear of making mistakes. Just imagine, marami sa ating gusto mag-start ng negosyo or to try something new. Pero nauunahan na tayo ng takot and we question ourselves. What if it does not work? What if I lose my savings? Paano kung nagkamali ako? Paano kung magkamali ako? You keep asking yourself, what if? What if? What if? Pero paano kung nag-push ka pa rin at nag-work? Paano kung magbago ang buhay mo dahil sumubok ka pa rin magnegosyo? Fear is nothing more than a made-up story in your own mind. Kaya kung may pangarap ka, go for it. Don't let fear stop you from pursuing your dreams. Number 4, the comfort zone ego. Nakaka-relate ka siguro dito. Okay na ako kung saan ako ngayon. I'm comfortable. Masaya na ako and I'm content. Hindi ko na kailangan maging ambitious at mangarap ng kung ano-ano. Yan na nga ang ating problema eh. Well, your income zone is your comfort zone. Kung hindi ka nasusubok ng mga bagong bagay o i-push ang iyong sarili, don't expect to have a higher income or a better job. When you're comfortable and complacent, you're not growing as a person anymore. Remember, a comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. Kaibigan, kung may pangarap ka sa buhay, don't settle for less. Keep pushing yourself and reach your full potential. Number 5, the judgmental ego. I want you to imagine this. Naglalakad ka at may dumaan na naka Rolls Royce at mukhang bata pa yung driver. Maybe on his 20s. Anong una mong iisipin? Most of us will think, pera ng parents niya yan. Saan pa ba siya kukuha ng pera para makabili niyan? Oo, baka naman. Iniisip mo na napaka-arrogante naman itong bata na to. He's just showing off his money. All these negativities Guess what? That's you judging other people. Kahit hindi mo naman sila kilala. Matanong kita, how do you know? Are you sure na hindi niya sariling pera ang pinangbili niya ng kotse niya? What if buying expensive cars is what makes him happy after all the hard work na ginagawa niya para maabot kung nasaan siya ngayon? So let's stop judging other people. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang pinagdaanan nila. Don't come up with your own conclusions before even talking to the other person. Paano ka magiging successful? O paano ka magiging mayaman kung ganyan ka mag-isip sa ibang tao? Number 6. The excuses ego. Lahat tayo ay may potential to be successful. Pero kadalasan, mas madali kasi sa atin ang gumawa ng excuses para hindi na natin ipuso ang ating mga pangarap. Matanda na ako, hindi ko na kaya gawin yan. Di naman ako matalino hindi ko maiintindihan yan. Wala pa ang umpiro sa ngayon, kaya hindi pa ako pwedeng mag-start. We always make excuses. As always, I can't. Ang tanong, sinubukan mo na ba? Nag-commit ka na ba ng 100% ng focus at time mo? Kapag hindi ka magsisimula, wala kang mararating. Kaibigan, don't let excuses stop you from growing and being successful. Number 7. The fake ego. Have you ever met someone na may weird vibe o kakamit mo lang pero feeling mo na di mo siya pagkakatiwalaan or they feel very fake? You feel na hindi sila genuine. Maybe they're really good in putting a mask. Para bang ibang tao sila kapag nasa office sila. Tapos kapag out of the workplace, parang ibang tao rin ang nakaharap mo. Kung ganito ka kaibigan, I would suggest to stop. You don't need to pretend for other people to like you. Just be yourself. Baka sa kaka-pretend mo, you don't even know who you are anymore. I'm sure if you're through with yourself, you'll find genuine friends at mas mai-enjoy mo yung buhay. Ganito rin kasi ako noon. I keep acting and pretending para magustuhan ako ng ibang tao. I want to fit in. At ayokong may masabi ang ibang tao. Hindi naman natin kailangan ng maraming kaibigan. You only need a few interested friends na mag-guide sa'yo at tutulong sa'yo sa panahon na nangangailangan ka. Number 8. The shy ego. If you have the shy ego, you say, mahiyain lang ako. I'm just an introvert. At ayokong kumausap ng ibang tao. Ginagamit mo lang ito to stay in your own bubble and on your own comfort zone. Maraming mga successful na tao ang mahiyain noon, but they push themselves to overcome shyness para yumaman. Normal lang maging mahiyain, but please, don't let shyness keep holding you back. Number 9. The other people's opinion ego. Be honest guys, nag-aalala ka ba kung ano ang iniisip ng ibang tao sa'yo? Iniisip mo na lang kung ano ang sasabihin ng ibang tao kapag ginawa mo ito, kahit alam mo na ito ang gusto mong gawin at ito ang tamang gagawin mo for yourself. But you don't do it because you have other people's opinion ego. Hinahayaan mo ang opinion ng ibang tao para pigilan ka. Sino ba yung mga tao at pwedeng pumigil sa'yo? It's possible na pamilya mo, relatives mo, mga kaibigan mo o coworkers mo. Remember, kahit sino man yan, it doesn't matter. Stop worrying about other people's opinion, lalo na kapag alam mo sa sarili mo na you're doing the right thing. Don't let other people's opinion stop you to be successful. Kaibigan, meron ka ba ng mga ego na ito? I-comment mo naman sa ibaba at pag-usapan natin yan. Don't worry, dahil kahit ako, I'm still working on myself to change. Kung marami kang natutunan sa aming video at gusto mong ma-achieve ang financial success, make sure to subscribe sa aming channel for more videos like this.